Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm gonna show you 5 advanced FIRESTICK rigs. Now I know what you're thinking, yes we know all of these, but I've picked some obscure ones with even the advanced FIRESTICK users don't know, folks, so you wanna stay tuned. Right, so feature number 1 is making the text stand out more, and not many people know this one. Right, so on your Fire TV device, just going on to your settings, go down to accessibility, and you want to go down to high contrast text experimental. If you turn that on, as you can see, I'm not sure if you realize, but if I toggle it off, as you can see the difference in the text, it makes it more sharp. So I'm gonna turn it back on. It just makes it so much more crisper. And even if I go here, for example, as you can see, by default the text looks like this, but if I turn that feature back on here, as you can see, the text actually a lot more stands out. So yeah, that was feature number 1, making the text stand out more. Feature number 2, smart home dashboard. Amazon recently added this feature to their Fire TV devices, and I don't see people talking about this, at least not many people talking about this particular feature. As you know, when you hold down the Alexa button and you can ask it to do things. Set a timer for 1 second.
1 second.
Stop. Right, so many people know you can use the microphone button to access your Alexa assistant, but what you may not know is if you single tap the microphone button, just tap it once and you can access this smart home dashboard. So let me just go through these features so you can access the weather, communicate, and get started with Alexa, like what you can do and that.
Having trouble hearing. Can you say?
But the main thing why I like this is if you go to smart home, you'll see every smart home device you have. So whether you have bulbs, LEDs, you can turn them on from here, and you can even turn on all your lights if you want to from this smart home dashboard, which I think is really cool. So now it's feature number 2, smart home dashboard. Feature number 3, network status. Not many people know this, but you can check your network status on your Fire Stick and even to a speed test without any speed test app. So if you go once again to your settings, and if you go to network, and if you find your Wi-Fi network or your Ethernet, just press the play button on your remote and you'll see this. Click on advanced and it will show you most of the things I don't even know what they are, but it'll show you if your network's running enough. So mine's pretty good, judging by the network quantity. You can see down the bottom, you can configure data monitoring. If you click on that, it will show you data users monitoring. This can be useful if you're on a limited Wi-Fi connection. So if you click here, you can set the video quality to good, better or best depending on your internet connection. And this feature is really for people with limited networks, folks. So as you can see, you can set a data alert. So every time you go over your limit, or every time you're close to your limit, you can just type the number in here, and yeah, Fire TV will alert you when you're reaching your data limit. And you can go in monthly data users, and it will sort your applications by data users. So as you can see, Fire TV Home 3 gigabytes. As you can see, around 3 PM 57 megabytes. So really useful if you want to know how much apps are using your data that don't connect your data. So I don't need it. I'm gonna turn this off. So if I go back, and as you can see, we're back here. And then we can actually run a speed test. So if you're feeling that your Wi-Fi speed or your Ethernet is low, you can just tap on one speed test and it will run through a speed test. And as you can see, I'm getting 100 megabits, folks. So number 4, system X-ray. If you want to find out how much memory is being used on your FIRESTICK, or how much battery you have left in the remote console, this can be a great way of doing that. To do this, you'll need an app called the Developer Tools menu, which you can download from the Amazon App Store. And when you open it, you'll have to turn on System X-ray, and as you can see, it gives you all these different parameters. So as you can see, for my memory, which is the white bar just there, 955 megabytes of memory is being used on my device right now. And as you can see, that yellow button there, that's my batteries in my remote console. So that's basically telling me how much I have in my remote console battery how much is left. It is really cool. Feature number 5, and probably the best one, is disabling the clicking sounds on your Fire device. So every time you press a button, you hear this sound. It gets really annoying. Every time you press a button, you hear that clicking sound. So how do we turn it off? Quite simple. Just going on to settings, going on to display and audio, go down to audio, and you want to turn off the navigation sounds and silence, folks. Absolute silence. So there you go, 5 overlooked Fire TV features. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do let me know down in the comments of this video, telling me if you didn't know a certain feature. So get your comments down below. Also subscribe to my channel with all notifications turned on. That way you get notified whenever there's a new video. Okay guys, so with all that being said, have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video.